How to turn off protection mode on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off protection mode on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. After you're there, simply tap on the gear icon that is right besides the edit profile option. Tap on it. And now before we move on with this, if you guys are new to Net Nimble, do not forget to subscribe. Now let's continue. Head over to privacy settings, that's right here. And after you're on privacy settings, you will see the protection mode. To turn that off, you'll simply need to tap on this toggle button and you are now off protection mode. So whenever you turn off protection mode, you will be able to receive private messages, comments, sharings from unfollowers. So if you want that, simply turn this off. And it's that simple. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.